Welcome back, guys. I've spent the last 3 months building my dream workshop, and today I got a channel update for you and even more. So like and subscribe, and let's get started. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a wee while since I posted, but I've actually been working full time building this dream workshop and garaging. It's been a pretty big project. It's just been myself, so it's taken a while getting all the materials ordered up and everything. But it's all done now. The weather's nice and really good and beautiful. Last project that we're working on was this red buggy here. So we'll keep the content going on that. Actually, only 5% of you subscribed, so 95% of you are. So hoping to grow this channel. So please subscribe. Yeah, that'll really help, and hoping to get some good content out. Of course, a big shout out to my grandparents for sponsoring the materials. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Definitely be using the workshop a lot, and it's really nice to have electricity in it and heating, and for even not to leak when it rains. So thanks again. So yeah, we can give you a workshop tour and show you all the future projects maybe, or keep them secret. And yeah, let's get going. So I fully stripped the roof off. It's got a new roof now, and it's even insulated. I tore that all off, redid that, fully insulated all the walls, re-sided it, added the OSB, 100mm insulation, there's 25mm Kingspan insulation in the roof, new siding. Got these lovely double doors here. As you can see, big buggy's there right now, just fits through the doors, which is pretty convenient. This is my old workbench I used to have. I used to just have this space here, but I've tidied it all up, and as you see here, I've got some entire other space again, so I've doubled our workshop space, rigged up all the lighting, did all the wiring myself, so it's all wired up now. Yeah, so we've got a nice big workbench there, that'll be great. We got actually this project here, that'll be coming up very shortly, so that'll be good. Then we've got a full tool chest with all the tools in it. Got some tools for my birthday, so that's fantastic. So all fully set up now. Got also a door here. Not going to show you more than that, but I'm sure you can see there's some more projects in there. Yeah, don't want to spoil it. I installed all these double glazed windows here because we didn't have any windows in. This one's even opening, so that's fantastic. I'm going to install myself a 8kW Chinese diesel heater. We'll see how good it is. I've already cranked up a few times. It does heat the space, which is great. These little, just got a little insulated pipe here, goes into the workshop. And yeah, this is another garage we've got here. Got double glazed opening windows here. Got a future project there, then a future project right here. Yeah, and then here's a big wide opening door that opens up. Wired up the lights, so that's all great. Loads more space. It's going to be great for working on the project. Can have also more than one project going at once because I've got the space. I'll hopefully build a motorcycle lift table here one day, but that'll need to wait a wee while. So yeah, good stuff. Made myself a nice custom sign up there. Took a while of painting, but all looking good. Got some of these nice metal signs off Amazon. Servicing, repairs, restorations, so all set up. Try to make it look like one of these lovely old retro garages. So yeah, it's getting there. Got my YouTube there, starting 2024. Hope to grow the channel this year. Got lots of space for lots of projects, even a car. Show you the other space we got here. Got another shed here. Got some double glazed windows alongside there. Also wired some lights into this garage. Don't want to show too much. Got plenty of cool projects coming. Right, so channel wise, it's already been a great start. Very happy with how it's going. Hope to grow the channel this year, so yeah, subscribe. Gonna get some good content out for you, so it'll be worthwhile subscribing, otherwise I don't know what you're doing here. So I'll be hoping to be posting daily twice a month. We'll see how it goes. It's going really well, maybe once per week, but I think that's too ambitious, so try twice a month. And video wise, I usually post it on Friday, end of the week, 4 o'clock I think it is. So yeah, watch out for my content and video then. Also, I've got Instagram and Facebook, linked in the description down below. So if you'd also be willing to follow me on that, that'd be fantastic. I also post shorts there and channel updates there, so I'll let you know if the video's out there, so you also get notification there. Hope you've enjoyed it so far. If you have, please like and subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you all next time. It might be a wee while for the next video because I need to set things up and order parts, but otherwise, catch you next time.